Working in WazirX is fun as well as challenging. Hello, we'll get those cryptos verified. You see that?
Working for WazirX is a roller coaster ride for me. The best part is that you have a team of talented and humble individuals who are always there for you.
Working with the best technologies, solving amazing challenges, a great team that always has your back, best benefits, and a super flexible, always remote policy. It can't get any better.
My journey with Wazirex has been great, and I wish the same for the coming years as well. It's been amazing working with such helpful management and my team. Thank you so much, everyone.
Working at Vazirex has really given me the opportunity to be a part of and contribute to the whole blockchain and crypto revolution. It's like working with one big family where you meet and interact with a lot of different people and teams. I'm immensely proud of the work culture that we have here, which encourages learning, collaboration, and team spirit.
For Xerex, it's been volatile like crypto markets. There have been so many highs and so many lows. It has been very challenging and exciting.
Coolest thing of working at Wazirex I found is working from anywhere with comfort, with managing other things in parallel, and without every day's irritating travel.
My experience with WazirX can be summed up in three words: exhilarating, enlightening, revolutionary.
Working at WazirX is just fantastic. Everyone here is so friendly and always looking out for one another. Also, being the market leader provides a tremendous exposure.
I'm very happy and proud to be a part of WazirX, which is a flag bearer in crypto space in India. And its a remote working culture gives you a perfect balance between your personal and professional life.
In the last 6 months with WazirX, I've grown tremendously professionally and I'm looking forward to 2022 to make an impact and grow even further. Apart from growth, it also has been an enjoyable and interactive experience. The comfortable work from home environment, the goodies we frequently get, and the meetup sessions where we connect and play games together makes up for the coffee breaks and the lunches where we would have gotten to know each other.
I am really very happy to get a job which is a remote working environment. This has helped me to have a very good balance between my professional and personal life.
I joined WazirX a few months back and it has been a great journey since then. Looking forward to a fantastic 2022.
It's been 1 year with Wazirex and it has been an amazing journey with them. And as a beginner, I'm still learning phase and I can just see that change every day as a stepping stone for my career. And I'm always delightful for all the opportunities the team is giving.
Being part of WazirX has been a great and enriching experience, and I loved every moment of it. Every single day when I start my work, till I finish my work, closing my laptop, it's been a great experience being part of this organization and the team that makes the difference.
It has been a wonderful experience so far working in India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, and I'm really looking forward for 2022.
When I'm speaking with my friends, they are saying that so balancing with work from home is like not that easy. I mean, they are saying the lot of work and a lot of stress. But I just told them one thing: when working with WazirX, I'm able to perfectly balance my professional and personal life. And WazirX is it's extended family.
I've recently joined the organization, so it was a great learning with my finance team, and I'm looking for better learning opportunities in 2022.
Working with WazirX has been a great opportunity for me. I love the technologies and projects we get to work with, and I get to be part of this amazing team. Looking forward to growing with WazirX and the crypto industry scenes.
Working at WazirX have been absolutely fulfilling experience for me. WazirX has provided me a perfect blend of freedom and responsibility towards my work, and it has opened up the doors for me to learn and understand a mysterious world of blockchains and crypto.
Working at WazirX, it's been a great platform for me. I had learned a lot of new things with this organization, and being a part of admin team, it's really challenging to me. And I would like to thank each and everyone from the HR team and my manager who had given me an opportunity to work with this organization.
My WazirX journey so far is really a joyride. Every day here is a new challenge and comes with great learning opportunities.
I've been a part of WazirX family since the month of March. Since then, my work experience was really great. I have got a good set of colleagues with me who are always there to support me.
and this was the first time I have come across the crypto world. So there are a lot of things for me to learn, and obviously I look forward to learning all those things. And I wish all of us grow together.
It's been an amazing journey since then. Not only I get to work on exciting projects, but I also got a great team to work alongside. And work from home is really cherry on.
I'm so happy working with WazirX as I'm learning so many things about the crypto and the industry, how it works. Before joining the WazirX, I was not aware about all the things, but I knew little bit about crypto. But working with WazirX really helped me. So yeah, I'm very much glad to be a part of India's largest cryptocurrency exchange, WazirX. Thanks.
I joined in June, and it's been amazing couple of months, and time went by very quickly. You learn so much, you experience different things, and get to work with amazing team.
About my experience with WazirX, yeah, it is a really good one. I'm thoroughly enjoying it, especially with the finance team, because I'm having a good team member as well as good managers who are working with me, and they are really kind to me. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to work with the WazirX.
This company has taught me to what to do, what what to not, what is crypto actually, how it works, each and everything so deeply, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much.
It's an amazing experience to be a part of the WazirX family, more like an adventurous roller coaster ride. A lot of new lesson at every curve to explore and conquer.
My experience at WazirX so far has been truly amazing and exciting. There's never a dull moment at work. I hope this continues.
I joined WazirX 6 months back. It was a great experience to be part of WazirX. Looking forward a great year.
So if I have to describe my working experience at WazirX, it has been chillaxing. It's chilling and it's relaxing at the same time. And yeah, I work sometimes as well.
Remote work culture has been very well managed by the company, which helps me to manage my time, and I'm able to spend some quality time with my family. So what else you want? At last, I must thank to WazirX for giving me the opportunity.
The best thing about working in WazirX is that you can work from here.
I've been part of WazirX for the last 9 months. Till now, the journey has been really amazing, and I love to be part of WazirX. WazirX, beauty.